मंगलम गणेशाय afternoon, this August gathering present here in the auditorium. Great pride to see the lovely fathers and the mothers of such lovely children. Barely 4 years old, and their stage presence makes everybody take notice of them. So a huge round of applause for these lovely, ready to fly children. Because in today's time, if you don't have a stage presence, if you don't know how to talk and hold yourself, you are a failure. Let's be very practical about it. If all that you have garnered in your entire life has just been marks, that doesn't suffice for you to interact with the outside world, which is becoming more and more global. Ladies and gentlemen, with great honor and on behalf of the staff and management of Ecom Infrastructure and School Management Limited, EISML, I welcome you. On the onset, let me tell you, this is not an annual concert. For the past 2 months, we have been giving these kind of stage presence to all our students of Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, and the Living Millennium has just started. Basically, to tell the students not to have knocking knees when they are facing the mic. And let me tell you, the way they were performing today, it definitely, I was standing at the back and giving me a smile because they were full of confidence. And the way they were speaking, even the way they were putting their hands behind them and in front and bow and turning right and left, that is quite spick and span. And I'm sure with parents, because these children, they need a lot of support from the parents at home. So I'm sure you all are doing a great job. So a big round of applause for this lovely audience here. Hey, you're not clapping for yourself. If you won't clap for yourself, how can you clap for others? So a better round of applause. On a wider note, I would like to share with you, this was our second year of Class 10 result, the CBSE result. We had a staggering 109 students, out of which 58 students got a perfect 10 CGPA. And life doesn't end with Class 10. We have Class 12, and this would be our first result of Class 12. And life beyond Class 12 is also taken care of at the Millennium School, wherein we already have the Vidya Mandir classes going on. BMC, please check Google if you doubt whatever I'm saying, is ranked higher than Fiji-based resonance. BMC, Vidya Mandir classes was there in Delhi, in the NCR. They are just seen to schools in Delhi. They are there with EPS RK Puram, they are there with Modern, they are there with a number of schools of NCR. The only school where they moved out from NCR is Millennium Lucknow. Currently, while you sit in the audio watching your children, they are doing coaching, they are doing training for our in-house, within school hours, coaching for NTSC, Singapore, KVPY, you name it, and of course IITG. The entire fraternity, the entire faculty of BMC is from NCR, not a single Lucknow faculty member is there. So you can imagine that they are really investing into Lucknow Millennium, because it's very easy to pick up a good teacher of Fiji or base, but no, for them, they have set their benchmarks. Their parameters of NCR, definitely Lucknow does not subscribe to them. So all the maths, physics, chemistry, everything, all the faculty members are from Delhi. And BMC this year, in 2014, gave a result again, a 63% conversion ratio, which means out of nearly 1,630 got through the prelims. And ladies and gentlemen, the All India Girls Topper for IIT is an EMC student, and the NCR Topper is again a BMC. I'm just sharing the school's plan and the company's plan. Thank you so much. And more than that, we are on a diversified mode again with the recession behind us. And globally, the economy is brightening up, and the company has already established a number of schools, and we are still on the path. We have been starting schools in South Africa. We are there in Far East also. We've done a tie with Raffles, which is the biggest Singapore brand, and we have our own Raffles Millennium University, and Carnival Center is in Lucknow also, wherein the university is in Greater Noida, but at Chapruma in Lucknow again, because we have a huge number of children at the Millennium School, all thanks to you. So they are doing training, and they are taking in students for life after 12 for the Raffles Millennium University. Ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm being very candid here. These children can't grow if they don't have your support. You know, once your child comes to class 5 or 6 or 7 subsequently, thereafter they become quite independent. My sincere request to all the parents here is, please see to the almanac signing. The almanac signing is a very important means of communication between you and the school. Please be in touch with the teacher. You have any grievance, you have any problem, because this is the time when your child cannot get back to you and cannot actually, communicate what is happening, where is happening in a written form. So definitely the child goes back and tells you a number of things. My sincere request is, please give us your valuable feedback. We really appreciate, because that's the only thing which I have done my training from Tokyo in Kaizen means feedback, feedback, feedback. Doing away with the negativities and moving ahead with our SWOT analysis and our strengths. I saw a number of you taking photographs. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our own Facebook page. My sincere request to everybody here is go check our website, because I'm sure, when you check your website, you'll find your children's photograph there on the website. This is just one case where we call you here, but everyday activities, everyday assemblies, lots and lots of things, they are there on the website. Please check the website, the Facebook and the YouTube of Millennium School also. They are there on all three pages. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need any help from us, do let me know. We are already doing a lot of parent training. We have a division known as LLF, which is again from the parent company, and we do this. LLF does this training for stress, time management, soft skills, maybe computer training for the moms, whatever you want. So my sincere request is, you have Kamna ma'am and you have Divya Singh ma'am, please do, and you have my email ID. Do respond to me any kind of training you want for yourself. We are always there for you, and it will be FOC for you. So it's, we are doing a lot of training in the US for parents. We're doing it in our South India schools also. Do any way where we can be of any help to you, please do let us know. Thank you. Take care of yourself.
Please cross the road only at zebra crossing. When you say design, please hold on very